Hello everyone, I have very short time today. My device has started charged, we had storm and now no electricity, but I decided to record videos every day. So today our topic is never give up. Never give up, and we will learn how to use stalemate and proper check to make a draw. In this position, white to move, it seems white will lose the game, but if you know about stalemate, you can make a draw. So white to move, please take a pause and find the solution. Okay, I will just quickly show you. I hope you really took pause and thought about this puzzle. Only if you think by yourself you really can get benefits. If you just watch video, you cannot get any benefits. So I think most of you know rook a3 check and king a3, that is stalemate. Okay, and we move to the next position, position number 2. It's almost similar position, but here we combine purple check, and we also use stalemate. So please take a pause and think about this position. White to move, and can white make a draw in this position, or they will lose this game? Okay, I hope you really took a pause and thought by yourself, and I hope you found that is the solution of this puzzle. White simply will attack the king all the time, and king cannot go on the c line because we will simply pin it, and it will be draw. We will take the queen next move. Okay, so king should go a4, but we will continue to attack, and if king go before, we just attack again and again. So no matter, we will just check all the time, and once king came on b3, we just attack here again, and it again stalemate, similar with previous position. Okay, hope you already got something new for yourself. And position number 3, it's more difficult, so think in this position. Can white do something? And take a pause and calculate variations. Okay, I hope you found the solution by yourself, and here almost the same. There will be draw. King cannot go on d line because of the pin. An example, king d5, rook d2, that is draw. And if king move here, an example, in this position, if king move c3, just the same, rook b3. That is not new for us. But another move is king a3. King a3 and rook a2. The same, king a2, stalemate, and if king b3, we just rook a3 will be quicker. Yes, and it will be also stalemate. If king move to the b4, we just continue to attack the king with the checks. Once it go to a3 again, rook a2. Okay, I hope that is already something new for you, and you will give up less and try always to find a chance to make a draw. Try your best, always, never give up. Okay, one more position. In this position, block to move. Try to find how to use here. What can you do here? And okay, take a pause and calculate variations. Okay, I hope you could easy to solve this puzzle. That is crazy rook. Rook will sacrifice itself. Oh, sorry. Okay, in this position, white to move. I did not set up, sorry, but I will make one move for the white. It will not change anything. Just if king take a rook, it will be stalemate. That is crazy rook, because rook can sacrifice itself forever. Rook b7, and now white already must take a rook, and it will be draw. An example, king b7 or rook b7, that is stalemate. Thank you so much for joining this very short lesson. I hope you could enjoy and get something new for you. And next time I hope I will have internet, electric power, etc., and I will be able to create a good long lesson. But anyhow, I hope you could enjoy and learn something new, and you will try always to create a trap, and don't give up. Try to find the idea how can you make a draw in a very difficult position, and try to manifest it. So good luck, be happy, keep growing in chess. Bye bye.